Blogging was supposed to be easy. Blogging was supposed to be easy, right? Just sit down, crack your knuckles, and bang out a blog post. Write about whatever is on your heart and mind. And do it again and again. It'll be easy, they said. You'll have no problems, they said. Except that it turns out that blogging isn't easy. The writing part itself is certainly challenging. Stringing together sentences in a compelling, coherent manner requires thought and effort. But that's not the only part that's hard. One of the hardest parts of blogging is knowing what to blog about. This is especially the case if you're trying to use your blog to build your brand and your business. When you're using your blog as a brand building tool, you can't just write about what happened in a particular day. Your blog does not serve as a personal journal. Rather, you want to write about things that will actually matter and add value to your readers. This is where things get tricky. Constantly coming up with new topics and angles to blog about that will add value to your readers is no small feat. It requires creativity, insight into your audience, and the ability to create fresh content day after day. It's enough to cause even the smartest blogger to burn out. We're here to help make your job easier. In this video series, we're going to give you 17 different types of blog posts that you can write. You can think of these as blog post formulas. They provide an easy-to-follow framework for you to use when writing blog posts. Ready? Let's dive in. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media, and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion 𝗕𝗹𝗪𝗀 and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbrownfields.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.